Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I will be creating a Windows system image, which is a backup of the entire operating system, including the Windows installation, system settings, programs, and files. It's useful in case you run into a problem and can't boot. When creating this image, you capture the state of your entire system so you can restore it later. Windows provides a built-in tool called Backup and Restore to allow this. You'll need a separate external drive or network location to create this. After creating, I will delete the entire Windows directory and then do a restore. So I have here my C drive. It's about 30 gigabytes in size. And I have here my backup drive. It's an empty drive here. It's about 30 gigs in size. And this is where I'm going to be putting the image on. So go to Control Panel, System and Security, Backup and Restore Windows 7. So this was first introduced in Windows 7. Create a system image. Where do you want to save the backup? I'll be saving it on my E drive. Next, confirm your backup settings. So the following drives will be backed up: EFI system partition, the C drive, and the recovery environment. So it's saving the backup. This will take some time depending on how large your system is. Okay, and it's done. Now it's asking to create a system repair disk. You can create a system repair disk, but if you don't, that's fine, as you can still use the Windows install media to perform a recovery. So I'm going to hit no, and the backup completes successfully. So we go to the backup drive, and you can see here, there's the Windows image backup that it created. I can't delete Windows from within Windows, so I'm going to load up Linux Mint on a live CD and delete it from there. So I've opened up a terminal and I did an fdisk on the disk here, and just to get the partition table. So this is the partition that I needed to mount. Would be my C drive, and mount-t NTFS for the NT file system. And then here's the disk and the partition number. And then I put it into the directory drive. So I am in C drive here, and I'm just going to do an rm-rf on Windows. Okay, the Windows directory is deleted. I'm going to reboot my computer, which will fail trying to boot into Windows, where I will do a recovery. Okay, the automatic repair couldn't repair your PC. Go to Advanced Options. I'm going to go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, See More Recovery Options, System Image Recovery. And here is the backup that I made earlier, the backup drive. It's on the D drive here. So I'm going to hit Next, and then I'm going to hit Next, and your computer will be restored from the following system image. I'm going to hit Finish. And all data on the drives to be restored will be replaced with the data in the system image. Yes, so this will take some time depending on how large your image is. Okay, it has completed. Now I'm just going to do a restart. Okay, the restart was successful. I'm back in Windows. If you have an issue getting into Windows Recovery, then you can use the Windows installation media to repair your computer. When you're in the Windows installation media, just go to Next, and then down here, go to Repair your computer, and then you just go to Troubleshoot, System Image Recovery, Windows 11. It'll ask you to select a system image backup, and then you just pick your backup and just hit next, and then it'll do the restore. So this was how you can use backup and restore to create a system image. I hope this was useful, and I thank you for watching. Bye now.